Get it all on there.
Alright. I got 2 more garbage cans that are empty. And 1 half full one. Watch it, Penelope.
Get over here. Penelope. Hey. Good? Yeah. Why don't you pull up a little further?
There goes Penelope.
She's in the truck.
Alright.
There? A little more.
A little bit more, dude.
Perfect.
Perfecto. I used to do that. You didn't want to go, huh?
I just wanted to dig into the ground. Not as smooth as that fork.
Yeah,
The angle's different.
that's good for hay.
Yeah. That one's better for leaves. That might be better for a rake.
Want to use it for a little bit?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Hey, Penelope. Just got a little worried your dog almost got ran over. Yeah.
Almost got flattened out.
Yeah, by your tires. I told her to come over here. Morse code. Why did I think of that for? Oh, Mamma mia! Oh, let's just smash it down with the trash can.
There we go.
No problem. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab my yard machine. 208. Sorry, YouTube, I didn't mean to sing earlier.